I'm Jess. I just want to share with you 3 things I love and one thing that surprised me about these ballet slippers by Stell. So the first thing I love was just the fact that they were comfortable for my daughter. So she took dance and ballet lessons, and she started as a very young toddler. We did a mommy and me class, and then we continued. So we've had these in a lot of different sizes over the years, and they have never been uncomfortable for her. The back has never dug in, and she's always had plenty of room, and she does have slightly wider feet. The second thing I loved about these was the fact that they were easy enough and stretchy enough that we could slide her foot in, especially since she started young and was not quite able to put her own shoes on yet. She was able to, over time, begin to learn how to slide her feet in, and we could easily slide them in for her because there was plenty of give, which is also partly what I love about them. For my third thing is that even though this has plenty of give, it stayed tight enough. They're still pretty stretchy, and she wore these for like well over a year, this particular pair, and they kept this secured on her foot even throughout dance class. And the thing that surprised me about them was how well they kept and cleaned up. So since she started so young, obviously she was sometimes crawling around on the floor and getting into other things and dragging her feet. So these right here, this part would get dirty on the leather, and it just easily wiped clean. Like, we had no issues at all getting these clean, and keeping them clean. So they kept really well for us for the entire time that she wore each size. And that's it. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.